Good afternoon, friends. It's Heather at Bush Poppy Farm. I hope you are doing well. Today, we're not going to be in the garden. We're going to be in the kitchen putting together stuff from the garden and from the grocery store. So I've been harvesting all the tomatoes early because the rats were getting them. So we have a ton of tomatoes, and we had a few jalapeno peppers, but I bought a bunch of jalapeno peppers. We are going to make today and can a roasted salsa, a roasted vegetable salsa, and we're also going to make and can cowboy candy, which is candied jalapenos, which I do every year, and everybody loves them. So I wanted to start this a few hours ago, but I ran out of canning jars. I had to run up and get those, and I had to get 1 more pound of tomatoes because the recipe called for 5, and I had 4 pounds from the garden. So we're all set. I've got all the ingredients. I'm just going to set you guys up to watch. I will link the 2 recipes. The roasted salsa one is new for me this year. And last year the salsa I made was good, but it was not spicy enough for us. So this year it's kicked up, and because it's roasted, it'll have a more depth of flavor. You can make fresh salsa and not can it, but I like to can the salsa so that we have it. So this is a very specific recipe for canning because although I do have a pressure canner, we'll be using a water bath canner today for both recipes, and both of them have a lot of apple cider vinegar in them because they need the acid in order to be safe when it's water bath canned. So I'm going to get started. I'm not going to narrate through this. Like I said, I will link the recipes below. And both of them, like the salsa will be ready to try today, but the candied jalapenos, they usually take about a week because you really want all of that syrup to soak into the jalapenos. You can eat it right away, but it's just not as good until later. And both of these will keep on the shelf for 18 months at least, as long as the seals aren't popped. So yeah, I'm not going to put a whole bunch of specialty things in here about canning safety. I will link to the Ball canning site below so that you can read all up on that if you are new to canning. And it'll tell you all the things you need to do to make sure that you stay safe and your food is yummy. And they also have lots of recipes on there. All right, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can do a taste test of the salsa, but otherwise we'll let you know when the candied jalapenos is ready, and I'll show you how I eat them. But yeah, thanks for joining today. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video.